And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I would have a look at the pre-AF setting in the X-T3. And how it may, in certain circumstances, speed up the AF performance. Specifically if you've got objects that are in the distance and close by and you're switching from one to the other. We'll go outside and we'll see how it performs. So on normal AF, if we to focus on the flagpole, then if we suddenly see something nearby we want to photograph, we come down here and we find it, and then we have to focus. Or if we were focusing on this here, then we wanted the flagpole. Oh, got it like that. But if we change the settings in here to pre-AF on, so we're at this thing here. Oh, we want the flagpole up there, and we can lock it in. Or if we see something close by, oh, I can lock her in. So the camera is actually in continuous autofocus while we're in single shot. So it just gives you a little bit of a speed advantage, because the camera is already focusing, has already focused on the spot you want to lock onto. So pre-AF is basically continuous autofocus while you're not pressing the shutter button. As soon as you half press the shutter button, it goes green and it's locked. And obviously it doesn't refocus. Till the next 2-minute tip. See you next time.